How to contact Temu customer support for account assistance. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and then tap on the headphone-like icon beside the settings option on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the support page of Temu. Here, scroll down and look for the account assistance option and tap on it. Further, go through the article about the account assistance and see if that fixes your issue, and if not, then you can also tap on the contact us option at the bottom and then chat with the Temu customer chatbot. Simply enter your query. For instance, I will enter account assistance, and with this chatbot will help you fix your issue accordingly. So this is how you can contact Temu customer support for account assistance. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.